Hey everyone! Linking your brokerage account directly to TradingView turns your analysis into action with just a few clicks. In 2026, the integration is faster than ever, keeping your data synced across all your devices in real time. Step 1. Activating the trading sidebar. We are starting at the top right of your chart. We're heading to the white Trade button. We do this to trigger the order panel, which acts as the master control for your connection. Click the Trade button. A side panel will slide out. Since no account is linked yet, it will display a Connect Broker prompt. This is the quick link method. It bypasses the bottom menus to get you straight into the search. Step 2. Searching and connecting. Now we are in the brokerage directory. We're heading to the search bar within that panel. We do this to find your specific regulated provider from the hundreds of available partners. Type your broker's name, for example, Interactive Brokers, Awanda, or TradeStation, and click Connect. A pop-up will appear, prompting you for your username and password. You will often be asked to choose between live or demo. Make sure to select the correct one before hitting login. Step 3. Making your first trade. We are heading to the order ticket that now occupies the sidebar. We do this to set our trade parameters, getting away from guessing and moving into execution. Select the Live tab, enter your units, and hit the Buy/Sell button. Your order is sent directly to the broker's servers. You will instantly see a dotted line on your chart representing your entry price. Step 4. Navigating the live account dashboard. We are finishing at the bottom trading panel. We do this to verify that the handshake is working and that your capital is accurately reflected. Look at the bottom strip of your TradingView screen. You will see several key tabs: Account balance, your current cash on hand; Equity, your balance plus or minus the value of your open trades; Profit and loss, P&L, a live ticker showing exactly how much you are up or down in real time. Because this is a direct API connection, any trade you close on your phone app will instantly update here, and vice versa. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.